And the weather is so hot here. I am at Kudle beach right now. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It was raining heavily in Bangalore and thank God I decided to take an auto to the bus stand instead of cab. I could at least reach in 2 hours, otherwise I would have definitely missed my bus in that traffic jam and rain.
Holding on, but I'm losing the fight. Could we run away? I know if we just hit ground, running.
After Shivamoga, it's a ghat road and you won't get network properly for almost 2 hours.
Break. Don't you know you and me, we can run away.
The bus which I came, KSRTC bus, it was stopping at every bus stand and it came so late that I just had hardly half an hour to get ready to take bath, brush my teeth, have breakfast and everything. And the weather is so hot here, like exact opposite of Bangalore. But beach hai to kya hi garmi hai, it's okay. Now we are going to Mirjan fort and from there we'll go to Gokarna temple and from there we'll be going to Kudle beach. That's the itinerary for today. So let's go.
I would never wait for something.
I joined a travel group for the next 2 days in Gokarna.
Everything at stake.
We reached Mirjan fort. It is around 20 kilometers from Gokarna and they are not allowing videography or camera inside. Mobile is still allowed.
We were doing.
Mirjan fort is a 16th century fort. It's a huge fort and architecturally very beautiful, and I'm sure it would look even more beautiful in the monsoons.
Running, closing off all the world with no light coming in. Bending before we break. Don't you know you and me, we can.
The best time to come here would be in monsoons or in the winters. It would be nice. So today it is very hot, although the pictures are coming good, but it is crazily hot. We have finished seeing Mirjan fort and now we will be going to Gokarna temple. And there is a dress code for Gokarna temple. It's only traditionals, ethnic wear for men and women. But there are changing rooms over there. Then we went to the main temple of Gokarna, Sri Mahabaleshwara temple. It was around 2:30 PM in the afternoon and the Garbhagudi was closed, but we could at least enter the temple and pray to the god. On the streets of Gokarna temple, you'll find shops like these where you can find wooden toys and wooden items like these. And when we went, there was a shooting going on of a Kannada serial here. I think you can hear the sound of the waves. I am at Kudle beach right now. Look at this behind me.
Waterways, with everything at stake. I thought I would take it up.
Kudle beach is a beautiful beach, but look at this.
We were doing alright. Holding on.
There are quite a few cafes at this beach and we had our lunch there and then we enjoyed the sunset at Kudle beach.
Hit ground, running, closing off all the world with no light coming.
और उसका बहुत ज़्यादा देते हैं इंडियंस लोग भी देता है।
अच्छा,
सस्ता
सस्ता है। कितना है एक ब्रेड का?
1 bread for like 150 asking that.
You and me, we can run away.
This was the first time I did something so hippie with my hairstyle and I was loving it, and obviously I was loving the sunset.
You and me, we can run
that was day 1 at Gokarna, happily exhausted and had a good sleep. And next I'll show you where we went on the day 2 of Gokarna trip.
You would never stay for someone that wasn't worth the wait. Counting.
The first stop on day 2 was Apsarakonda Waterfalls and Marine Park.
I'm moving onward. I just wanna trust in your word, but we're running out of.
The views from the Marine Park are absolutely lovely, where you can see the sea from above. I mean the beach from above, and there are many points in the entire park where you can click pictures and very Instagrammable.
Hit ground, running, closing off all the world with the light coming in. Bending before we break. Don't you know you and me, we can run away.
Although this place had lot of greenery, but still it was very hot and humid. Coming to the waterfalls, it was also very crowded and the water was also very less. I totally recommend you to come to this place after the monsoon sets in. You know, there are only 10 beaches in India that have got blue flag certification, and this beach, Eco Beach in Honnavar, is one of them.
I would never wait for something to let it.
The beach is well maintained with seating arrangements and washroom and changing room facilities.
I thought I would take it all back. I just wanna make this thing last, but we're running out of time. We were doing alright.
And this is the first time I saw a beach with first aid station, but I don't know if it was functional or not. And outside you'll find these shops where you can rent a volleyball and play with it on the beach. And the boating at Sharavati backwaters was like the cherry on the top. Nothing could end our trip better than that.
You and me, we can run away. Run away, run away.
Like, I thought by June it will be raining and it will be cold, but it is very very hot. Like, it is just 7:30 now in the morning and I thought I'll record this intro at the beach, but I can't even lift my head. It is that hot. But the places here are lovely. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. See you soon in my next vlog.